This is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to share this milk carton with jars for you, and I will do a tutorial for this box later. So here you can see how it looks like, and you have 3 jars here to open. Sorry, I need to open the last first. And then here. So it's pretty a big size that you can put your candies or stuff inside. And also on the top of the box you will have a room for you to put goodies inside too. So if you want to make it more firm, you can use a ribbon here to use the ribbon to close the box, so it will make it more close finish. And I use the Velcro, so it's like this. And about the size, it's 3 inch by 3 inch, and the height is 4 3/4 inches. So this size is great for adding your goodies inside and send the Happy Mail to your friends. So this is the die. So this is to make the size of the box. So you need to cut this 2 times, and also you have these layering pieces to decorate your box. And this is to make the cover of the jar. So you need to cut three jars, 3 of this, and then stack them together to make the body of the box. So this one you need to cut 3 times. And this one is to make the size of the bottom part, so it's this one, and you need to cut it 2 times. Also, here is the layering piece to decorate your box. And this one is to make the jar, so this one is also to cut 3 times, so you can make it like this. And then also the layering pieces to decorate the jar. And also you need to cut this piece, but you just need to cut this part of the die, so you can hide this jar. And I have cut all this out. So let's start the tutorial. Oh yes, this is to make the bottom part of the box. Okay, first I will layer the pattern paper on this 2 sides. Okay, that's stick the layering piece on these 2 parts. So for this one, you need to glue this size and then just fold it so you can make the cover of this box, the jar box. So it will look like this. So the first is ready, and you need to make 2 more of this one. And now you need to glue these 3 parts together. Now this is the part, so you can hide this part, and just cut down this edge so it will not be so you can see this this side. So for this piece, you need to glue the inside part through stick it here, and also this part to stick it here. So make it more close to the to hide the part, and also you need to glue the tape here so you can stick it on the bottom of the part. So now you will not see this part. It's hide inside, and also you need to glue the inner part of this part. And now glue the bottom part here to hide all these tapes. So this one, fold it like this. Now this box is almost ready, so you just need to, put those drawers inside. Oh yeah, I forgot to add a paper to hide here. Yeah, I need to glue this paper before I close these two parts. So after I stick these two sides here and then leave these two parts open, and then it's better to stick the paper here, so it will look like this. And let's do the drawer now. So this is the drawer. Let me find this paper. And now I'm adding the paper here. So this drawer is ready, and the rest two is the same. Okay, now the three drawers are ready, and let's put it inside. So you can use so you can punch a hole and use the ribbon to close the box, or you can use a Velcro to close the box. And then you can add other decorations to decorate your box. So this is all for today. Hope you like the tutorial I made, and any questions please leave me comment and I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.